That sound like Lil Bro. Hey, Lil Bro! He said, who that here call? Lil said, who that here call? I said, what up with it, bro? What the fuck you doing here? He said, man, they got me on some bullshit, man. Goddamn it, I don't even motherfucking know, man. I'm fucking with goddamn CJ motherfucking ass. I'm driving CJ motherfucking ass. He done gone home and shit. I said, Lil, what the fuck? Lil said, who's got me on camera?
You motherfucking right.
I got so off now.
I don't miss no action. I'm Jackson, man.
Lil said, goddamn it, D. I was alright. That's how I stood up.
You know I couldn't see it.
I was alright. I stepped to the bar, you know what I'm talking about?
Hey, D, how you step with that, D?
Alright. You know I'm in there by myself, you know what I'm talking about? I be happy to hear somebody that I know. You know what I'm talking about? Shit, it been a long time coming. It been a long time coming. But I know a change gon' come.
Where you at, Trap?
But anyway, but back to the story. Lil said, goddamn it, D. Alright. I said, look. I knew that was your motherfucking boy. He said, yeah, goddamn CJ, fucking with CJ, man. Hell, I was gonna stay at the house, goddamn CJ got me over here. CJ got me driving his ass. Am I lying? Tell two, CJ, tell two. I ain't lying. He said, CJ got me over here driving his goddamn ass, hell, and he gone home and I'm locked up. I said, goddamn CJ. I said, well, goddamn, Lil, they gonna bring up breakfast at 5 o'clock in the morning. It gonna be a good breakfast. Motherfucker, you gonna starve at 3 o'clock, though. Look, did we starve at 3? You motherfucking right. Goddamn, we ate good at goddamn 12 o'clock, and that was it. That was the last time my meal of the day. 12 o'clock. That's why I got out 150. And guess what? I'm 250 now.
You motherfucking lie.
You motherfucking right, goddamn Skinner. Goddamn Skinner.
Skin tone.
Look at him. You there, him up. Hold on, child. Now deal with it. I gon' deal with it. I gon' deal with it. Now wow. Now wow.